Yeah, 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 man, yeah, yeah. NPC killer. No, my fault. I got it all wrong. I mean machine killer. Boy, Lil John, man. Lil John in the building. Oh man, we gotta make a beat real quick. Lil John, yeah, yeah. Let's do this. Let's do this. It's my comeback beat right here. Lil John, Lil John, yeah. I need to make a beat right quick, man. I'm trying to make a comeback, man. I'm trying to make a comeback. I'm trying to make a comeback, but I can't load no drums up. I'm trying to make a comeback, but I can't load no drums. What the hell? Come on, man. Anyway, it's Lil John in the building, and I want to give a shout out to everybody on the YouTube. Make sure you guys go out and purchase your Machine Killer right away. Make sure you go and purchase it. Yeah!